I got a quick fix today for laptop fan noise. Now it gets super annoying when you're trying to work on something or even listen to certain audio and you tend to hear the fans more than the audio you're trying to listen to, which is frustrating. So aside from opening the laptop and making sure that the fans don't have any dust buildup, it's a quick fix I'll do here. Now this is for the ones that have fans, because the newer laptops and like Surface Pro 5s, they have a fan list design, so you wouldn't have settings for the fan. But real quick, so if you go to start and if you just type in sleep, or if you can type power too, you'll get the same results. Power and sleep settings, and then on the right hand side here you're going to go to additional power settings and then change plan settings here, and then change advanced power settings. Now once on this screen, this is the main screen that we're looking for, by the way. So once on this screen here, you're going to scroll down until you find the process power management. So I'm going to expand that, so you can expand with the plus and minus sign or minimize. So I'm going to go to system cooling policy. I'm going to hit the plus sign. So notice how on battery it's passive and plugged in it's active. Now the ones that I work on, the laptops, people said when plugged in it's super loud. So we're going to change this to passive. So on battery it's passive and plugged in as well it's passive. And right below that you're going to see the maximum process state. What you're going to do, for some people it's 97, for most it's 98%. So we're going to change both of these values to 98. So I'm going to change that on battery to 98, and I'm going to change plugged in to 98. Again, so some people say with 98 they still hear the fan, and at 97 it works, but I think 97, 98 should do the trick. So we have our on battery and plugged in both set to passive instead of active, and we have the maximum process state set to 98%. I'm going to hit apply and I'm going to hit OK. And that is it, and that is all. So you'll notice that when the laptop is plugged in now, you're not going to hear the fans spinning like crazy, or it's not going to be annoying or frustrating. And that's it for this one. Again, if you found this video useful or helpful at all, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes. And as always, stay safe, be well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.